Craving Chick-fil-A but want it delivered straight to your couch? While DoorDash doesn't directly accept Chick-fil-A gift cards, here's a sneaky smart workaround to enjoy those nuggets and waffle fries without leaving home first. You want to head on over to the Chick-fil-A app. Within the Chick-fil-A app, locate the gift card section, which usually is accessible from the main menu. Tap on it. Make sure your gift card has enough balance to cover your Chick-fil-A cravings, including DoorDash fees and tip. Now, place an order through the Chick-fil-A mobile app for pickup at your nearest location. Crucially, select the pickup option, not delivery pay using your Chick-fil-A gift card. This is where your gift card has to be used. Next, open the DoorDash app and type the name of the Chick-fil-A you ordered from into the search bar. Be sure it matches the location you chose when ordering with the Chick-fil-A app. From the list, select your preferred Chick-fil-A location. Next, select the order option on the DoorDash homepage. On the order page, you want to choose a dasher to pick up your order from the Chick-fil-A you placed the order at. You are essentially hiring a courier to pick up the order that you made at the Chick-fil-A app. Add the address of the restaurant and pay for the delivery fee with your credit or debit card through DoorDash. This is how you use your Chick-fil-A gift card indirectly to have DoorDash deliver Chick-fil-A to your door. Enjoy your Chick-fil-A delivered straight to your doorstep. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clever tips and tricks. #Chick-fil-A, #DoorDash.